Ladies and gentlemen, project management tools are many. Today we are having a look at two of the best. We're having a look at OpenProject. We're also having a look at Linear. We want to know which one is the best specifically for you. So let's check them out. All right, let's have a look at OpenProject now. So OpenProject provides robust project collaboration and tracking capabilities with flexible deployment options, including cloud-based and on-premises hosting. It's trusted by organizations worldwide across diverse industries, including IT, engineering, and construction for managing complex projects. It has built-in capabilities for classic, agile, and hybrid project management approaches. This helps you accommodate different team preferences. You can also see over here that it has a work package management. So task tracking as visual Gantt charts. It also has dependency mapping between tasks, and you also have a bunch of resource allocation features. It also has Scrum and Kanban board options. It has an integrated time tracker and a comprehensive cost reporting. This is really fantastic. You can also see over here that it has a robust REST API, which allows seamless connectivity with third-party applications, as well as custom tools in your ecosystem. It is a native integration with Git, SVN, and other repositories for synchronized code management, as well as issue tracking. And it has an extendable platform support, which is community developed plugins to enhance functionality for specific industry needs. OpenProject's integration framework enables bi-directional data flows with productivity tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and communication platforms including Slack, as well as Microsoft Teams, and of course many more. So Linear offers meticulously fast and intuitive issue tracking. Okay, so the issue tracker is designed for speed and ease. Teams can create, assign, and solve tasks quickly with minimal clicks. Its clean interface removes clutter, which helps a developer focus on delivering quality work on a tight schedule. Also, they have agile project planning with sprint management. So what is this? You can organize tasks and prioritize easily with visual timelines. You can stay aligned with core objectives in fast-moving startup environments, and you can manage sprints from start to finish with milestones and backlogs. You can maintain agility while ensuring project transparency as well as control. You get instant analytics and workflow insights, which offers real-time progress tracking. You can monitor projects instantly and identify any bottlenecks early on. You get optimized development flow, so you can use insights to actually improve processes without any external tools. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. If you go ahead and try some of the software in a real-world scenario and see what actually works for you personally, that is probably going to yield the best results. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.